check out the Adidas store. We got the take additional 50% store. Kentucky for you. So welcome to Adidas. Let's go directly to the shoes and let's see if I could find good deals because they got a lot of deals, 50%. And look at those, lot of 50%. All of the shoes, clothing is 50% off. Not bad for Adidas outlet. We got a lot of good shoes, clothing. Let's check that out. Let's check it out. Now let's check out what we could. And here is the men's section. We got a lot of brands. We got the I-5923, 79.97 with additional. No, that is 69.97 with additional 50%. Take additional 50% for this one, so that would be somewhere $30. And then another color, and this one is something kind of violet or something. It's also 69.97. A few sizes left. Also they got the black and red, also 69.97, and same goes with the black and white, 69.97. All of these have that 50% off, so some more $30 each. So we are here in the Boost section. We got Pure Boost RBL, color green, camo something, and those are 109, additional 50. This one, there's a Boost, Pure Boost also. Different colorway, blue. We got also the black and with the red accent for 109, and also they got the white, another blue, and some kind of grayish. And this one is Pure Boost with 99.99. All are 50%. We got the Pure Boost Go 99. Additional 50, and also we got the Roller Blaze. I believe this one is for mostly runner, if not mistaken, but the price is $7.99. It's not bad. And then we got also the Energy Boost black and yellow accent, 99.97, and the head in blue colorway and also red colorway for $79.99 with additional. Next one we got the POD S3.1, selling for $89. This colorway is somewhat navy and red accent, $89. This one is mint green with $79.97, additional 50. Not bad for that one. Also they got the colorway on black with green accent for $89. Same goes on that one. And also they got EPO 3.1 for $89.99. Additional 50. So that's somewhere $40. What's on this one? It's Crazy Bush Wear, blue navy with a pink accent for $99. You got also $99 on this Crazy One Advance twin colorway. Not bad for that colorway. And this one, Crazy Bush Wear, $99.97, additional 50. And it has some for $99. Also different colorway on Crazy Bush Wear, clean white and bone something, and it's on $99.97, additional 50. Another colorway, and this one is on $99. And purple black bushy wear. So still in bushy wear all are 99, and also we got crazy bushy wear too, also on 99 with a purple accent, black and white and purple accent. Also 50 personal and additional 9 additional. It's 99 additional 50. Lot of sizes. Oh, I missed this one. First of all, she were X 99 also, and it's only limited on size 7 and 8, and they're almost gone, and it's on 50% off. And how about this Street Fire black blue with blue bottom, and they got them on 49.7 with additional 50. A lot of sizes. That's blue, white, and blue bottom. And also they got the D Rose 9. D Rose 9 for 99.97 and additional 50. Some more 40-50 bucks better than those D-Rose, especially D-Rose is retired if I'm not mistaken. And hey, this Garden Volume 2 only got 8.5 left because this on 7.97 colorway, and this one is white with light bone. Not bad, not those. And we got the Samba Classic, 70 bucks, additional 50. Also we got green court, 54.99. Clean white colorway. And if you like the Samba Classic black colorway, we got in 70. Additional 50. And we got the Crazy Flight mid 89, 97 with additional 50% off. I believe this is one of the cheapest find I've seen today here in Adidas Duramo 9, and $39.97. Red, white, and black accent. Hey, they got different. They got and white. It's also $39.97. Also here on the gray, $39.97. And also, oh, not this one, but that one, $39.97 plus additional 50% off. Adidas Duramo 9. Not bad for this one, that one, and about 3 checkout women's section boost. And we got the Ultra Boost X for $129. We got the Clima X for $129 also. And the Ultra Boost Uncage and $129. With additional 50, lot of sizes in here. Ultra Boost 129, additional 50. It's not bad, not bad at all. Ultra Boost X Clima, a different colorway with this Ultra Boost gray accent, also additional 50. They got sizes 9 through 10.5. Women's and 10.5 women's should fit on me. Not bad on those. Also, still in this section, we found some live for $129. Same here, and they got different colorway on blue or violet. 7 with additional 50. And run Lux Cleanup for 69. Is that Terran? Terranina. Huh. Sizes 10. That's why it's already size 10. And also they got different colorway, run like 69 and already left 7.5 and 8. Still here on Boost section, we got the solo Boost women, a different colorway with what's this? Climate and 109 on the glide with black and white, 100 on the pure bounce, additional 50 on the pure bounce. Finally, we are in the kids section. Oh, still on the women's section? Huh. They got the NMD R1 129, but this one I5923. Not bad colorway. This one 69.90, 7 additional 50. I59. The colorway is not bad. And the bottom mint green Niike runner, gum bottom, 69.97. It's gonna be 30 bucks. Not bad. Swift one 485. Also they got the I59. Another accent of color is orange, 69.97, and Sambaros 69.97. I don't like blue already in the kids section because we got the size 4, 5, and also 59. This is the Rapida one. This is multicolor, 59.99 with additional 50. They got a different color. This is black with multicolor also, 59.90. And what else? We got the Pure Boost Go, 79, pink, and the Pure Boost Go. What else? Oh, this one is colorful. Good for kids stuff. And another Pure Boost Go, black and white, and Pure Boost. This is not Pure Boost. This is Ultra Boost. We got the Ultra Boost J, and it's 1 last sizes is 3.5 and 4. Guys, that's about it here on the adidas. We got a lot of deals for 50% store-wide, clothing, shoes, everything. Not bad for a day. A lot of good deals on Adidas, Nike, Adidas outfit. And I think that's about it. And I guess that should be the end of this video. Couldn't find anything I wanted to, but this colorway is not bad. Brown, white, I59 and 23. They are selling for 69.97. But thank you for watching. That's all for this video. I hope you like it, and I hope you find something interesting here. So that's about it for this video. I hope you like it, and we're done here on the Adidas store. Let's check out and see what else we can find in the different part of this outlet. But hey, we're done, we're good. Check you out on the next video. Thank you for watching, and 1, 2, 3